Aloha! How's it, Grasshopper? Grooves good. 안녕하세요. My Christmas present from my all my children. It is the Ugly Annealer. I had cases where, well, I'm trying to save a case. The neck's been splitting. This is the ammo that I bought from the CMP for my grant. And this is first reload. I have a neck split. They bought me this annealer. So this is what's in the box. As you can see, it's already opened. Set of Allen keys. The one that goes here, the window, the base, screws, this one, okay, like this, and into the bucket of water. This is the propane stand. If one of these doesn't fit, and this one goes on the top, and this one goes on the bottom. This in the bag is power cord, power charge, power converter, whatever. And this one came with thinner one, so that the you can anneal the 22 Hornet cases. However, they have thinner than that one, and you could anneal the 22 TCM, or they said even 9mm. That was in the bag. And you'll need these tools. Propane tank that goes this way. Yeah, somebody didn't have bunga bunga in a while, so I gotta use one of these. Yeah, it's tight. Okay. Out you go. I'll put it back in there. Yeah, but finger tight, but man, other one was it's too tight. Oh yeah, these inserts, they came and I already put it on there. Yeah, annealer. Right there. Let me read instruction. Instruction says the gas torch clamp first, and then the front guide panel, and then the aluminum bottom, and then adjust the ejection bar. This one. And then tighten what this one is. Instruction says use this one. This one adjusts the roller all the way in. Just making it. Oh my god, this is a 22 Hornet case, and this one is just. So I guess that will it's like a, what do you call it, the rheostat that will control the speed of how fast it will turn. This one here. I had to remove the son of a gun so that I could install this. And there's two, and then you could tighten up. Then you can put the cases. I had to adjust this one to so that you get into the pan, and also you gotta watch closer to this wheel is good. Power is plugged in, and this is a switch, the rheostat switch. So I'm gonna put on 50. It says the dark red, but me, I'm gonna go with not cherry red, but a little bit redder. There you go. Okay, the flame is on, and I'll set right there and turn on 50. That's 50. Too fast. I need to go slower. I'm going to 45. Okay, 40. I need lower than that. 30. I don't see it glowing. That's a dull red right there. With that flame, the length of the flame, dull red is right at yep, okay, 25. So that, I guess, there you go. It depends on the flame. That's red, okay. That's dull red right there. If that flame is closer, probably will be faster. It's dull red right now. Woohoo! And it's 25. I'm gonna yeah. Right there. Yeah, that's good right there. 25, and the flame is a little bit longer. The flame, tip of the flame shouldn't touch the brass at all. Yeah. There it is. Right there. And all this discoloration, it'll come off of when I wash it in the Let Me Shine in the dawn. It comes off. So that's it. Christmas present. Merry Christmas, everyone. We'll see you at the range. Oh, I forgot to say aloha too. Okay, what I did was I didn't tighten the top or the bottom, the nozzle holder, and so they could be moved in and out. And also the when I was annealing the shoulder cases, I have to move this inwards, and the insert holder was right here. That was in the way. So I said, what if? And sure enough, the bottom screw, it fits. So now its holder is placed down here rather than up here. And I just replaced, not replaced, but just put the screws back in there. So when I tighten it snug, this could be moved without any problems. If not, then you have to loosen, tighten. While this is hot, I don't think so.